To get started with Klarna Pay Now, first ensure you have a Klarna account. If you don't have one, sign up for free on the Klarna website or through the Klarna app. Once you have an account, you can begin using Klarna Pay Now for your online purchases. Klarna Pay Now is a payment method that allows you to pay for your purchases immediately, either by credit or debit card, or by bank transfer. When you choose Klarna Pay Now at checkout, you will be redirected to a secure payment page where you can enter your payment details. To use Klarna Pay Now, start by shopping online at a store that offers Klarna as a payment option. At checkout, select Klarna as your payment method and then choose Pay Now. You will then be prompted to enter your email address and password to log into your Klarna account. If you don't have a Klarna account, you can create one at this stage by providing some basic information such as your name, date of birth, and address. Once you have logged in or created an account, you can proceed to enter your payment details. You can pay with a credit or debit card by entering your card number, expiration date, and security code. Alternatively, you can pay by bank transfer by selecting your bank from the list of available banks and logging in to your online banking to authorize the payment. After you have entered your payment details, review your order to ensure everything is correct. Check the amount you are paying, the payment method, and your personal details. If everything is correct, confirm the payment and you will be redirected back to the store to complete your purchase. It is essential to note that Klarna Pay Now is a one-time payment method, meaning you will pay for your purchase in full at the time of checkout. This is different from other Klarna payment options, such as Pay in 4 or Pay in 30 days, which allow you to split your payment into installments. Best practice is to always review your order carefully before confirming payment and to ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the cost of your purchase. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using Klarna Pay Now, such as late payment fees if you are paying by bank transfer and the payment is not processed on time. By following these steps and being aware of the key concepts and best practices, you can use Klarna Pay Now with confidence and enjoy a seamless and secure payment experience.